Hello friends, in this tutorial I am going to explain it to you how you can root your Samsung Galaxy SM G360H, which is very hard to root with persistent tools like Wayroot, 360 root and all that. It's because of the bootloader of the phone which prevents it from rooting. Okay, so first of all, move to your settings on your phone, move down to about device. If developer options is not available on your phone, you can click on about device and tap 7 times on build a number. So and developer options will be here after you tap 7 times on the build a number. Click on developer options and check if USB debugging is checked. This is very important. If it is not checked, the whole process is not going to work. Tap on security and check if unknown sources is checked or not, because we are going to install a manual 360 root file. Okay, moving back now. For this process you need Odin 3.10 for your PC, custom root kernel file, 360 root application for your phone, basic root checker. In description I have provided the links for downloading these files, so you don't have to worry about it. After you get Odin 3.10 on your PC, it will look like this, and the first step would be to open up Odin on your PC and click on AP or PDA. In Odin 3.10, instead of PDA, it's AP here, and in lower versions there used to be PDA here, so it's the same thing. So click on AP, that would be in the next. Yeah, click on AP and load the root kernel file. You can double tap on the root kernel file and it will get loaded. This is the second step. The third step would be to get your phone into downloading mode. How you would do that? You have to press home, volume up and power button at the same time to get your phone downloading mode. This is step third. Moving step 4, it will take you here. If you press the right key combination, it will take you here. You have to now press volume up button and this will take you here, downloading mode. Okay, make sure your remaining battery is more than 50%. Step 4, and this is step 5. Connect your phone via Samsung USB cable and check if ID COM section turns below. It's here, you can see it should turn below the time you connect your phone to the PC, blue or yellow. If not, disconnect your phone and reconnect it again, and make sure you have correct USB drivers installed on your PC. You can see here it's written added. So step 6 here. You have to press start button here and wait until Odin shows pass with green background. You can see here pass with green background. That means you have successfully flashed the root kernel file on your phone. Okay, now moving to 360 root. We have to download 360 root. For that you have to open up your browser and type here 360 root. Okay, click on this. Now click on this. Since I have the file already, I will install it from there directly. I don't need to download it. You have to press OK so as to download it. Okay, I have the file here. I'll show you. It's 360 root, the file which I have downloaded. The newer version of the 360 root have logo in red color. It's one the same thing. The procedure is same. Install it. Install. I'll press done because I want to show you that my phone is not rooted till now. See here. For that I will check it by root checker. It's easily available on Google Play. Just search root checker basic. Okay, I will now verify my phone if my phone is rooted or not. See here. It says no, your phone is not properly installed on this device. Okay, going back. Now move to 360 root. That's here. I'll click on it. Slide and click here. Start. And provide root access to root checker basic. I will move to root checker basic if to check if our device is rooted or not. Check here. It says yes. So this is the procedure, you have to follow it. It's simple. If you have any questions, you can comment below and like this. Thanks for watching.